In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to implement cookie acceptance in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a clear, compliant cookie consent banner displayed on your site, so visitors know exactly how their data is handled. This is important for building trust, and it can help you align with privacy regulations like GDPR and similar frameworks. First, make sure you're inside your GoHighLevel page or site builder where you manage your website content. Once you're there, look for the Cookie Consent section. It's typically found in the settings area related to your site or page configuration. Click on Cookie Consent to open the controls for the banner. This is where you turn the feature on and confirm you understand what the banner does. Next, enable the banner by switching on the option labeled Enable Cookie Consent Banner. The toggle will activate the built-in consent prompt. When it's on, GoHighLevel will present a banner to your visitors so they can acknowledge your use of cookies. Think of this as the on-off switch that governs whether your site displays the notice at all. Turning it on doesn't change how your site functions. It simply makes the consent message visible and actionable for your visitors. You'll now see a statement explaining what the cookie banner means and your responsibilities in using it. Carefully read that information, then check the box that says, "I've read and understood the above." This step is your acknowledgement that you understand the implications of enabling a consent banner, namely, that you're disclosing cookie usage and handling visitor data responsibly. It's a good moment to make sure your privacy policy is up to date and accessible from your site, since the banner typically points people to that document for details. If you're uncertain about your obligations, consider consulting a qualified privacy professional for guidance. Finally, click Agree. This confirms your acknowledgement and applies the setting so the cookie consent banner is active. From this point forward, visitors should see the banner the next time they load your site and can accept or review details according to your configuration. A quick tip for verification: if you don't see the banner right away, try viewing your site in an incognito or private browser window, or clear your browser cache. Some browsers remember earlier visits and may hide the banner until a fresh session begins. That's it. You clicked into cookie consent, enabled the banner, confirmed you understand the terms, and agreed to apply it. With those steps complete, your site now presents a clear and professional cookie notice to visitors. Thanks for watching, and happy building.